All right. Court calls the case of the state of Texas versus Sergio Valdez, calls number 2022-0C03338. Let me do the announcement. This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council Judge's statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus. May I have an announcement of counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Silva for the state. We're ready to proceed.
Good morning, Your Honor. Luis Sistos for Sergio, and the last name, Your Honor, is Valadez.
Valadez, okay.
Yes, Valadez.
Oh, you are Sergio Valadez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear or affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I swear, Your Honor.
Charged with the offense, or first off, are you a U.S. citizen, Mr. Valadez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated with a .15 blow or above, alleged to have occurred June 22nd, 2021 in El Paso County, Texas. To those charges, sir, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
We plead guilty, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Silva, any priors?
No, Your Honor, but he had no priors, but after this plea, I will be dismissing the assault.
All
He
right.
only has another pending case with this, and it will be dismissed.
What was the blow or blood draw?
It was a .201 blood draw.
Okay. The court will follow the state's recommendation, find you guilty, Mr. Valadez, sentence you to a year in jail, probated for 15 months. You're to pay a $750 fine, $30 a month supervision fee, a $15 video fee, $60 lab fee, complete 90 hours of community service, be subject to breath and urine analysis, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew where you can't be out unless you're working or going to school. You're to attend DWI school, victim impact panel, have the camera interlock installed on your vehicle. You're not to drive anything that does not have that device installed, and reimburse El Paso County for court costs. Anything further, counsel?
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
All right, you may be excused. Good luck to you, Mr. Valadez.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is Mr. Soto there?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Somebody want to touch base with Ms. Caballero?
Yes, ma'am. I'll call her office.
Good morning, Victor. Your client is not there.
Good morning, Your Honor. He called the office and told me that his car had broken down. I told him to send me proof of it, and he actually did. He sent me a video. The transmission gave out on the road, and he even had his mom put it on drive, and she was pressing the gas and it wasn't moving. I sent him the link and I told him to log on through his cell phone. But I did get a video and I'll forward it to the court if you would like me to, Your Honor.
No, I obviously take your word for it, but where is he?
Socorro Road, he first said he was gonna try to get a ride, and he would be a little late, but then he said that the person that was gonna give him a ride said that he was too far. So he was gonna log on through his phone, and I sent him the link just maybe like 4 minutes ago.
We can't do it through the phone. He has to be there so they can print him.
Yes, ma'am. So respectfully, I was gonna ask for a reset, Your Honor.
Okay, we will go ahead and reset him to another week.
I appreciate you, Judge.
Thank you, Victor.
Thank you, ma'am.
They were gonna ask Miss Caballero to log on. I believe she was in CC7.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Thank you for waiting.
All right. Your police center, may I have Mr. Benitez, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
How are you doing, Teresa?
Well, for some reason, I'm now running late this morning. I don't know how that happened, but I'm good. How are you, Judge?
Good. It's not unusual for me. You get up early and somehow end up
Yeah,
running.
5:30 in the morning, ready to go. And here we are.
All right, court calls cases State of Texas versus Juan Pablo Benitez, cause number 2022-0C03024. The announcement. This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council of Judges statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus. May I have announcement of counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Silva for the state. We're ready to proceed.
Good morning, Your Honor. Teresa Caballero on behalf of Mr. Benitez, ready?
You are Juan Pablo Benitez?
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen, Mr. Benitez?
Yes.
Charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, alleged to have occurred July 29, 2022 in El Paso County, Texas. To those charges, sir, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty?
Any priors, Mr. Silva?
Your Honor, just deferred for a possession in 2014.
Court will follow the state's recommendation, find you guilty, Mr. Benitez, sentence you to 180 days in jail, probated for 12 months, a $500 fine, 300 of that will be probated, $30 a month supervision fee. You're to complete 80 hours of community service, be subject to breath and urine analysis, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew where you can't be out unless you're working or going to school, attend DWI school, victim impact panel, pay a $15 video fee, have the camera interlock installed, and reimburse El Paso County for court costs. Anything further, counsel?
Your Honor,
No, Your
nothing
Honor.
further from the state.
All right, you may be.
Thank you.
excused.
Thank you. Goodbye, Mr. Benitez. Thank you.
Right.
Mr. Soto just is logging on. Let me just give him, good morning, Mr. Soto. We can't do this via Zoom. You actually have to be at the plea center in order to take care of the plea. So we are going to be resetting your case. Stay in contact with your attorney. He was here earlier so that he can advise you of the new plea date. All right. Everybody else may be excused until our next set of hearings at 10:30. Thank you.
Thank you.